How to send invitations in calendar on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on calendar, and in the calendar app, open up your calendar event, or you can create a new calendar event. So either when you are creating a new calendar event, or if you are editing an existing calendar event. So here I can tap on edit, and then we go down and tap on invitees, and in here you want to tap on the add button and select your contact. So here for example, I'm going to choose FaceTime call. Then I can tap on the add button to add in other invitees as well. So here I have added in 2 test contact, and then tap on done. When you tap on the done button, your calendar will send out the invitations to the contact, and if they're responding, you'll be able to find out from the view availability section in here. And that's it. So that is how you can send out invitations in your calendar app on the iPhone 16 series. And then just tap on done. And then here you can choose save for this event only, or save for future events if you are editing a repeating event. And that's it. So if you are creating a new event, it will be the same thing. So in here, if you scroll down, you can tap on invitees, and from here you can choose your contact, or you can manually enter in your valid contact. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.